Rice, it's one of those grains that we eat on a regular basis. But I'm going to show you that you can give it a bit of a twist, make it a little more interesting by baking it. Now, I'm going to be using an Indian staple. So this is Basmati rice, and it's prized for its ability to stay really light and fluffy after it's cooked. I love Basmati rice. So for the baked rice, you want to wash the rice 3 times. I've also got a saute pan here with just a splash of oil in it. I want to turn that onto a medium heat, and we can add our rice. At this stage, you could also add some onion, but I'm going to keep it very, very simple to make it all about the rice and the spices. So in with the rice, and we're just going to mix that around. I'll add 1 bay leaf, and that's 1 big bay leaf, along with a cinnamon quill. And just to give it a little bit of heat, why not add some crushed chilli flakes? So a sprinkle of crushed chilli flakes. I'll add a pinch of salt, and we need some stock. So we just want to cover it with some stock. You could also do this with water if you like. So add that and give the pan a bit of a jiggle so all the rice is even. And just to make this a little decadent, I love the addition of some butter. So you just need a small amount of butter, about a tablespoon's worth, and that can just sit on the top there. That's as easy as it gets. Heat goes off, lid goes on. My oven's quite hot, 200 degrees, and this is going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice has completely absorbed all of that chicken stock. And there you have it. That's my baked rice with Basmati rice. It smells so good, so easy to make, so give it a go.